Alright guys, today we're going back to a job that we did about 3-4 years ago. The customer bought a different mount for his TV outside by the pool, and I guess the mount he buy has more adjustability, so he could adjust it. I don't know what kind of mount it is, so we're on our way there. So just stay tuned. Once we get there, we're gonna see what kind of mount it is and how it works and figure it out. Stay tuned, guys. All right, we're on our way, and of course I got the supervisor lady with me. We're gonna grab some breakfast. That's a lot of food. Well, I got a Jamaican beef patty. Just the beats. Alright guys, I don't know if you remember when I put this TV up. Well, I didn't do all these wirings here. He did these. That's not me. But we're gonna remove this mount. And I don't know what mount he's gonna put up or what mount is better than that, but we're gonna see. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the mount that I put up for the TV we just took down. But this guy wants to put up this mount. It's a dinosaur mount, but it's good.
It's a classic.
It's good. It's durable. It's strong. We know how they make stuff back in the days. But it's not gonna be flush against the wall and no sleek look or nothing. But it's durable, functional, and he likes it. So we're gonna put that up, take that down. Stay tuned. Just like that. Easy to take down, harder to put up because you gotta do measurements, how high, how low, you know, gotta be level, but taking down easy, butter. So now we're going to get the other TV, put the back bracket on the TV, and then do some measurements and see where we're gonna put the other mount on the wall. All right, stay tuned, guys.
These are the signs of harmony. You should run these out.
So here we are. This is the mount. It's a dinosaur mount, but it's durable, it's strong. And this is what the customer wants. He has the option of pulling it in and out. You could swing it, all right, and you could slide. So, you gotta make the customer happy. Now we're gonna put the TV up. Just the beats. Even though we talking crap about the dinosaur mount, it works because if you're in the pool or you're out here sitting, guess what? It could turn and you could face it to the pool. Everybody could see it. Before, the other mount was just on the wall. So the extension on this is great. I actually like it. Can't complain. So we just slide that all the way over. The mount is solid on the wall. It's really solid mount. And yeah, that works. Alright guys, there it is. No wires. Remember when we came earlier? We had wires tangled up over here. That's gone. No wires. You know, that's how we do it. But when we come back a couple months later, we're gonna see if he rigs some stuff up. Cause you know, this guy. But yeah, that's how we do it, man. We get things done, customer happy, and we just move on to our next job. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another video. I'm out.